Listen up. Kevin O'Leary, the man they call Mr. Wonderful, has zero patience for sentiment when it comes to your money. He says the number one rule for selling an investment is brutally simple. If it is not making you money, sell it. Cut it loose. Do not wait for a miracle. Your capital is better off elsewhere. O'Leary's second rule is just as cold. Never fall in love with a stock. He treats every investment like a soldier in his army. If that soldier stops fighting for your portfolio, it gets retired immediately. No nostalgia, no hesitation. If the numbers turn south, you exit. It is that simple. Finally, the 10% rule. If any holding drops 10% from where you bought it, O'Leary says you sell. Instantly. This protects your downside. Discipline preserves wealth. Emotion destroys it. Cut the losers, keep the winners, and never look back. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.